Hi, Christopher. Thanks for emailing me all of your questions about our workshop, Course Design and Assessment. So let's walk through some of the things together so that I can show you what the expectations are. You can see that I've already logged into the Madison College Blackboard system. I'm going to scroll down until I see our workshop's name. I have lots of courses online, so I've got lots of names here. I'm looking for this one, Course Design and Assessment for the spring. That's us. And okay, so I think your first question was, how do you get to WIDS? What I'm going to recommend that you do is at the left, click Assignments, and then click Unit 1. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you see this heading, Log into WIDS. There's a video here. Oh, sorry. You know what? I'm sorry about that. Back up. So when you enter the class, I'm going to hit back and then back again. When you enter the class, right here on sort of the welcome page, if you scroll down right here, here's where I have the video about how to log into WIDS. So you can watch this. It's just a YouTube video. Watch that. It'll show you how to do that. So that'll answer that question. Now your next question was about submitting the hiring characteristics for Unit 1. Okay, so now I'm ready. At the left, I'll click Assignments, and then I'll click Unit 1. And the hiring characteristics was a learning activity. So I'm going to click on Learning Activities. And so the bulk of our learning activities are activities that I want you to complete to help your learning and growth. It's not all, lots of times I have videos and lectures for you to watch. I have articles for you to read. But sometimes we also want you to do some hands-on work to help that information sink in. And that's what the hiring characteristics activity is. It's simply for your learning purposes. You do not submit it. All right, your next question was about Unit 2. So again, I'm going to click Assignments at the left. In the middle, I'm going to click Unit 2. And you had asked about submitting the individual reflection. And so I want to take this opportunity to talk to you about how the units are constructed in Blackboard. So every unit, when you click on Unit 1 or Unit 2, it always begins with a welcome at the top. And then that's followed by this folder called the Learning Activities. And just like we had talked about, it's all the things I want you to do to help you learn the topic for that unit. Now, in the Learning Activities folder, sometimes there's a submit link, like we saw in Unit 1. Sometimes I have something for you to submit here, and sometimes not. Sometimes it's just things for you to watch and read and think about and learn. So I'm going to back out of the Learning Activities folder, and I'm going to go back to here. I'm back at Unit 2, and I'm going to scroll down, and that's where I have the link for you to submit the individual reflection. So I'm going to click where it says Submit in Unit 2 Individual Reflection. I'm going to pretend that I've already completed it. I've downloaded it. I've filled in my information. Now I'm ready to submit it to Blackboard. So I clicked the Submit link. From there, I'm going to click Browse, and then I'm going to go find that thing. I saved it here in my downloads. So there it is. That's the one that I've completed. So I'll double click it, and I'll click Submit. It's a little hard to see, but there's a Submit button there. And go ahead. And because I'm the instructor, I get this little warning message, right? I'm the instructor. I can't submit homework, so you won't see that. Go ahead and submit that thing there. All right. And then you had talked about meeting on campus tomorrow. Let's try it this way. Since we're an online workshop, let's see if we can solve these problems via email and YouTube videos and whatever else. I'm happy to call, but try to work through this. And then if you still are hitting obstacles, let's set up a time to meet. I can't on Monday. My day is full of meetings. On Tuesday, I can before noon. I don't think I have any meetings in the morning. Wednesday, I'm free before 1. So let me know. Give it a try, see how it goes, and then let me know what you want to do.